Upgrading your home's windows can dramatically improve comfort, curb appeal, and long-term property value. But just as important as choosing the right product is ensuring it's installed correctly. For homeowners in East Northport, professional window installation offers peace of mind and a level of precision that DIY methods simply can't match. From energy efficiency to long-term durability, hiring a skilled installer brings lasting benefits that protect your investment in your home. Expert installation that ensures a perfect fit. One of the most common causes of window drafts and leaks is poor sizing or improper sealing. Professional installers carefully measure your window openings to ensure a custom fit for each unit. This precision matters because even a small gap can allow moisture inside your walls, create air leaks, or strain your HVAC system. A trusted installer guarantees seamless integration with your home's existing structure, helping your windows perform exactly as they were designed. Better energy efficiency for year-round comfort. East Northport experiences a mix of seasonal temperatures, making energy efficiency a key priority for homeowners. When windows are sealed and insulated correctly, indoor temperatures stay consistent, reducing the need for constant heating or cooling. This not only improves comfort but also supports lower utility bills over time. Professional installation helps your energy-efficient windows perform at their highest level, maximizing thermal protection and limiting wasted energy. Long-lasting performance and protection. Well-installed windows are built to last. Beyond just placing the frame into an opening, professionals ensure proper flashing, weatherproofing, and alignment, all of which protect your home from rot and water intrusion. Small installation errors can go unnoticed at first but lead to serious structural issues later. With expert service, you get durable protection that withstands the elements and retains its performance for years to come. Enhanced home value and curb appeal. New windows provide a noticeable aesthetic upgrade. Clean lines, modern finishes, and updated materials instantly elevate your home's exterior. For East Northport homeowners planning to sell in the future, high-quality windows are a valuable selling point that can boost marketability and resale price. Even if you plan to stay long-term, professionally installed windows give your property a polished, updated appearance that you can enjoy every day. Manufacturer warranty protection. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to keep product warranties valid. If windows are installed incorrectly or by an unlicensed contractor, coverage could be voided. By working with certified professionals, you protect both the product and the investment made into it. Should any issues arise in the future, you have guaranteed coverage and support. Time and cost savings in the long run. While DIY installation might seem cheaper at first, mistakes can be costly. Tools, materials, and unexpected repairs can quickly add up. A professional installer completes the job efficiently, with the right tools and techniques from the start. This reduces the risk of future problems, saving you time, stress, and expenses over the life of your windows. Increased safety and security. Windows don't just allow natural light into your home. They also act as a barrier against intruders and severe weather conditions. A poor fit or weak seal can compromise structural integrity. Professionals understand proper locking mechanisms, anchoring methods, and safety requirements, ensuring your windows help keep your family and property secure. Final thoughts. Professional window installation is more than a convenience. It's a long-term investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and protection. East Northport homeowners benefit greatly from working with skilled installers who understand local climate conditions, building requirements, and the best installation methods for lasting performance. By choosing expert service, you get beautifully finished windows that function reliably, increase property value, and deliver consistent savings over time. If you're planning to upgrade your home, a professional installation ensures you get the full benefits your new windows were designed to deliver.